So I have finished my 5th round, and now we're gonna start to do the decrease stitch. It's gonna be exactly the same position like with the increase stitch, just we're gonna do the decrease stitch, and we're gonna do exactly the same like it was here in the beginning. So the last increase stitch was with the 4 single crochet and increase stitch, so we're gonna do exactly the same, just single crochet 4 times and decrease stitch. Okay, so let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 single crochet chains stitches. Now we do decrease stitch. Decrease stitch is very simple. You just take from 2 chains yarn and you pull through all of them. You don't work like double crochet stitch, you just pull through all of them, so it becomes like a 1 stitch instead of 2. Okay, so we make again single crochet stitch 4 times, 3, 4, and again decrease stitch. Okay, single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, decrease stitch. Okay, single crochet, 2, 3, 4, decrease stitch, single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, decrease stitch. Okay, and the last single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last decrease stitch. Okay, so we finish our round. As you see, it starts to become like a ball. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna work in the next round, we're gonna work single crochet all around, so it's gonna become more like a ball. It's not gonna be flat like this. Okay, so let's do it all single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, so 30 single crochet stitches all around. So at this point I'm gonna put filling inside, so it's gonna be more easy to work. Don't forget to put the filling, because after it's gonna be no way putting it inside. And I put it now because it's gonna be more easy for me to work it. As more narrow the holes around, it's gonna be more difficult to work it for you, because all the time the filling is gonna come between your stitches. you're gonna need to press it very hard to work it. Okay, so when you put a filling, just don't be afraid, push it, feel it to be, you know, like round, not to be like in one place more, in another place less. So try to make it everywhere equal, eh? I think I'm okay. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna chain in this round 3 times single crochet and decrease stitch. Okay, so let's start. I hope the filling is not gonna come. So single crochet 1, 2, 3 and now we have decrease stitch. Okay, and basically it's gonna be all around like this. It's very easy, it's nothing difficult, and mostly all our amigurumis, they're based on the same patterns, so it's just difficult from every, let's say, creator of a toy. They have their own way of writing the pattern, so it takes some time to understand it, but when you understand it basically everything from everyone. All you need to do is to learn the crochet stitches and you are free to go to do magic. So I'm in the middle of my work. It's pretty hard basically, but it's better than the narrow space to work. 2, 3. Now our decrease stitch, and again 1, 2, 3, decrease, 1, 2, 3, decrease, okay. So on the next round we're gonna work 2 single crochets. Yeah, 2 single crochets and decrease stitch. Not difficult. Okay, let's start. 1, 2 single crochets and now decrease stitch. Okay, so basically all your decreases, they're gonna line up. They're gonna go like this, all your work. Sometimes it's a little bit annoying me, so I try to make as small as it possible, and I'm going to show you now. So I make it really very tight like this, so it doesn't become like a big bubble. So basically that's what I do, because sometimes when you use it for a head, like mostly you're gonna use it this pattern, most of the times it's gonna go for the head. Or of course you can give for the babies to play as a ball, or maybe it's gonna be your keychain. It depends basically from you, you know, whatever you like. Maybe you like it to give it for your pet. You just put inside a catnip. It's perfect toy. I have done loads of it. I have 2 cats at home, so I have loads of the toys for my cats, and I'm very happy about that, because we save a lot of money, and plus it's ecological, you know. You don't give them plastic toys or something like this. 1, 2, okay. So I have done somewhere mistake, but it's okay. It's not a problem, because my single crochet should not end up in the round. It should end up, 1 minute, just double check. Anyway, I'm not gonna try to find it now. what we're gonna do in this round, I'm gonna stuff a little bit more, because it needs. So it's basically we finished, you know. It's gonna be the next round with the 1 single crochet stitch and decrease stitch, and the next round is gonna be only decrease stitches all around until you're gonna close all the hole. So it's not nothing difficult. Okay, so let's start. This one now is gonna come like this: single crochet stitch, decrease stitch, okay, and all around single crochet, decrease, single crochet, decrease, single crochet, decrease, single crochet, I start to catch my feeling. Decrease stitch, single crochet, and decrease stitch. Okay, we end up very good on the pin, so I just place it up. So basically, as you see, the hole is very narrow, so we're gonna work all around decrease stitch. I'm gonna take it out even pin. Okay, I don't need it anymore. 1 minute. So it's gonna be now. Okay, 1, 2, 1 decrease, 2 decrease, 3 decrease. It's a little bit hard at the end, but you know, we have to work it out. So 1, 2, okay, decrease, decrease, okay. You work it until then. When you see that, you know, you can close all the hole. It's not anymore, you know, you go by round. You just go until that point when you can see that you can close it up. So I have very narrow now, but I still have to work it. I think another, it's okay. So I have finished, and I'm gonna make it with a slip stitch. Okay, now you just cut it out, the yarn, you form a little bit inside, and this you can put it inside. You take just something sharp and you can put it inside. Anyway, now I'm not gonna do it, it's gonna take some time, but or if you like, you can put it on a Christmas tree like this bow. You can make it with different colors. It's gonna be very nice, and it's safe for the children especially. That's basically what I have done this year on my Christmas tree. I just made loads of these in different colors and we hung them, and it was perfect. We put some glitter, why not? So if you liked my video and you enjoyed to crochet together with me, so for the next episode I'm gonna make a rattle toy for baby. It's very easy. Basically this gonna be the head, and we're gonna make a body like this so the baby can hold it and play with it. It's also very safe and is ecological for the baby. So if you enjoyed this video, make thumbs up, subscribe, Write me in comments if you didn't understood something or something was maybe too difficult. You can come to my page on Facebook, Yarın Barın Cyprus. You can ask me as many questions as you like. I will try to explain you everything. So I hope you enjoyed it and see you next time. Bye bye.